Hey guys, welcome back to the Build and Boost YouTube channel. Just a quick one today. Just thought I'd run you through some aircon lines I'm doing on a customer's car. Give you a quick look at that. See what you reckon. These here, this 90 degree, just pushes straight up the hose. A little recess just there. That's where this little cage clips in over the top of the hose, and you got two of these little clips, and you just squash them down and they just clip on that little edge there. Tighten it on, that's all there is. Whack an O-ring on there and that will go push into there and tighten up. Pretty simple. The hose is like this, sort of looks like hydraulic hose. Very flexible. Looks pretty nice. Got like a sort of like a nearly like a Teflon type of liner in it, but there. So here we go. Don't forget these. If you do, you can just stretch them open and go over the fitting. Figured that out the hard way already. That's straight in there. Like so. Right side. They just clip in. Use some pliers, these are pretty blunt. There. Flips over, like you can hear. That's it. I've got an O-ring here. A bit of glue on it. Lube, not lube, flash glue. There you go, there's custom line, runs up along the back of there where you can't see it, straight underneath there. Up underneath the guard, through there, under these, and tighten them up. Keep them away from the dump pipe. Good stuff. Could always put a bit of, you can get some braided heat shrink that actually look very similar texture to that. Could put that over the top of there if you wanted to, but I think it looks pretty tidy. Thought I'd just show you too. We had to adapt from the stock line, which is that one, This here comes as, it's got this nut on there, and there's actually a barb fitting. It's a zinc nut, a little bit more forgiving than an alloy nut, but yeah, as you can see, we're welded here. Well, just cut them, weld them both together, pressure test them, make sure it's got no little tiny pinholes. Very easy to get in these aircon lines. We put some special adapters on there and pump it full of compressed air, put in a bucket of water, and just look for those very, very fine bubbles to appear if they do or not. Pretty lucky with these ones. Got them first go. But yeah, so we've had to adapt to this style. If we have to ever change these hoses, I'm pretty certain that you could just get a screwdriver into there, undo those clips, and you've got to flick that little edge straight over that lip there, unclip those, take the cage off, slide the hose out. Reusable. Put a longer bit of hose, shorter bit of hose, new bit of hose, whatever you like. Yeah, I can see I'm going to use these more often. Very handy, easy to put together. Yeah. See how they go. As you can see, guys, it was just a quick one today. Just thought I'd show you the products and stuff that I use. And yeah, as you can see, those aircon hoses are pretty easy to put together, and yeah, good results. I'm going to use them on my own car as well, but I'm going to probably put some like dry seal disconnects on there so that I can take the motor out without having to take all the aircon and drain all the gas and all that stuff out of it. So we'll see what happens there. But yeah, let me know if you like these little product reviews. It might be something that you can use on your own car. Products, looks like they're from Highgate Air. Don't know what type of fitting they're actually called, but I'll probably find out for you. So, hit the like and subscribe button, and yeah, keep building. As you can see, sporting the new Edge Performance hoodie. See you guys.